buy back the extra thing.
come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica.
Guys, I said, hey Jamaica, stop it, no music right there. Let's go to the party tonight. That's what I like. See that fish take off the good son. They want to push it down to that bone. It's up in the way. I'm going to go down. They make you think you're going to when you're born.
Didn't you say this nigga had a wife?
He does have a wife. Oh my, no.
Where his wife at?
Yo, what is going on?
When it comes time for unity, strength, we're there, together. Now go pray, really. Every light around us,
Jamaica, God's a nation, the music fraternity, where the entire world has spoken. The teacher, acutely perspicacious. They have two crowds for you to choose from. We know you say God is the greatest. And these crowds...
I'm leaving. Y'all just know what happened. We had to... I have to get Wi-Fi. I don't know where we at.
Hold on.
No, we gotta go because everybody's leaving.
They don't like started. Just go.
I don't know, but everybody was winning so much. There had to be something going on for everybody to After like 30-40 minutes, it finally stopped raining. We are here. We're trying to get healed from this weekend. This weekend has just been so much. So hopefully this beach day will heal us because I'm supposed to give y'all a little story time. I can't even, bruh. I gotta give them a story time because I just ended the vlog so abruptly, y'all. We were at Sumfest, right? We were in the middle where we always go every year. We should have known it's Vybz Kartel performing today, so we need to be a little extra cautious, you know what I'm saying? First of all, they oversold the concert because it was way too many people. We could barely maneuver our way through the crowd. We were in the middle, which we should have been to the side of it, honestly, but I didn't even think about it, y'all. So anyway, we had got there at like 11, and Vybz Kartel came out at about 4 a.m. and everything was cool and stuff like that. But then, you all know, Vybz Kartel been in jail for like 13 years. And this was like his first Sumfest back. So everybody was ready to see him, including me. So anyways, when he was performing, I hear this commotion. I look to my left. Why is everybody running? Everybody's running to my direction. I took off to the other side, but I said, hell no. I started running and people kept on tripping me. I kept on falling. I accidentally stepped on this lady. I was like, oh my God, I'm sorry. I ran out of my shoes. I was running in socks. Like, them shoes is radioactive. Anyway, I ran out of the shoes and then I went back and found the shoes after. And then, I left with a few new tattoos, you know what I'm saying? I got a bruise on my leg, bruise on my hand, and another bruise on my leg. But I ain't gonna show y'all, cause not everybody like to see all that. But yeah, and I lost my glasses, but then I found it after when the sun had risen, because we went back to find other stuff that we had lost. So I went back, found my glasses. It wasn't too broken, only the handle was broken. So I just left it. I'll get a new one. And then I lost my bracelet. So yeah, it was a pretty traumatizing night, man. I'm not gonna lie. People were being taken out on stretchers. People broke their arms, their legs, and it was just a lot. And the stampede didn't only happen once, it happened twice that I know of. It was just a very traumatic experience, and I don't wish anybody could experience that. It low-key reminded me of the whole Travis Scott thing. I wasn't there, but obviously I watched the documentary, and that's what it reminded me of. So it was kind of just so eerie. It was so eerie. After that, more people were supposed to come on after Vibes Cartel, but nobody else ended up coming. Like, they ended the show because everybody was leaving anyway, so why continue, you know? Now we're just at the beach trying to have a little reset and just clear our mind. To this when I'm in the water because I'm not chancing it with this camera. Water time. Okay, no. It's crazy. Like, it's dead. It's really. This is that storm rain. Like, this is gone. Nah. It's getting worse. Oh, heck no.
Alright, if y'all want to go back, I'll put the towel over our stuff.
Oh yeah, let's go back, cause this is crazy. It's raining again for the 20th time since we've been here. Where'd the sun go? Where was that nice sun that was here when we first got here? God, please.
I told you it passed by.
Let's clear up a little bit. Tastes like real meat. Everything in Jamaica tastes better. I'm not being biased, it's just the truth. I'm serious. It's been a full day at the beach. We just finished eating our food. Mine was good, but some people don't like theirs. We're about to go back to the crib. Today drained me, but it was a good day.